The Brain Tumour Charity is the biggest brain tumour specific funder of research within the world. And this is a really big thing for us being based here in the UK, because it means we're trying to influence the pace of research globally. And we do this by funding high quality research into lots of different areas. And the way that we choose what research we're going to fund is all based on our research strategy. So almost 5 years ago now, we got the community together, researchers, academics and those affected, and we asked them how we could put money into research that would really make a difference to people with a brain tumour. And their responses formed our research strategy, A Cure Can't Wait. The goals of the Brain Tumour Charity are twofold. Firstly, we want to double survival for people with a brain tumour. We also want to halve the harm, both from the brain tumours themselves, but also the treatments. So to do this, we defined how we are going to put money into research, and this is within our research strategy, A Cure Can't Wait. So the funding that we provide through A Cure Can't Wait, our research strategy, is multifold. It ranges from anything from conferences and workshops funding where we want to encourage collaboration and exchange of ideas, or it can range right up to program grants. So we've got our Quest for Cures grants at the moment, which are open. This is potentially £1.5 million over 5 years. So a really substantial, grant to get academic research right through into the clinic. In between those two, we also have quality of life grants. So this is obviously to improve life today for people with a brain tumour, or it could also be research into how we can improve life for their carers as well. So people within the sphere of influence of this brain tumour, really. We have some grants for up and coming research. We call these expanding theories. So if you've got some pilot data or a proof of principle but need a bit of money to really get it to a program grant kind of level, you can come to us for 2 years of funding up to £120,000. So our current research strategy is actually coming to an end shortly. So we're doing the scoping now to redefine what we're going to put our funding into, what types of research, what areas are going to make the most impact. So I'd love to be able to tell you what we're going to do over the next 5 years, but we need to be told what the community needs before we can really do that. So if anyone out there is interested in the funding opportunities that we have available for researchers, if they go to our website, thebraintumourcharity.org, and look in the For Researchers section, all the information about criteria and how to apply is on the website.